Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. I'm Daiki. So today we're chasing Japanese red snapper, and I'm taking one of my friends. Hey.
Hi guys.
Just came all the way from Tokyo, and he's now setting up the rig that is called Tai Rubber. It's very Japanese traditional fishing rig, specifically designed for catching red snapper. It's got a sinker on the top and got some rubber piece here and 2 hooks, and that's it. And I got mine here. I was kind of worried about the weather because the weather forecast said the wind picks up a little bit today and it's gonna be a little choppy, but it seems fine. It's gonna be a great day. Let's get to it. We found tons of birds chasing fish as we got off to offshore. I know we could have caught something on top water, but we went straight out to the spot where we catch red snapper. Alright, my first drop. You know, that happens on boat fishing. The first fish always comes to the one who drops the rig first. That really makes sense, you know. The longer the rig stays in the water, the more likely fish are to find it and bite. See, I told you. Not bad. Not bad. Good fight. Good fight. There's tagging, definitely a red snapper. Fight. Probably about 40 centimeters. Ah! Much smaller than I expected. Right, here we go. It's about 16-inch red snapper, kind of average size. See, this size of hook is pretty tiny, and this size of fish. The reason why we're using such small hooks is that those small hooks won't affect lure's action, so that the lure can swim more naturally. Whoa, taking drag. Ah, there you go. Kind of fluke, isn't it? Fluke from something different. Let's see what I got here. What is it? Maybe another fluke or over the robin fish. I'm not sure. Popper fish. Alright. Yeah. Popper fish. Goodbye. You got something. You got fish on. What is it? First fish. It broke. Okay. 中そうですね。And we changed the spot to catch some tilefish. Their spot is only a minute from our marina, so I often drop by at the end of our trip. They're pretty tasty fish. 絶対この重みはアマダイよ。アマダイかヒラメ。アマダイよね。 来ました。
でかい。
でかい。でかい山だい。We just keep shouting, it's big, and it's big indeed. And this is white tilefish. Okay. White tilefish. Oh yeah. Good size. This is what we got today. White tilefish, red snapper, 2 of them, and probably this is called Fluke, hirame. And my friend Kay got his tilefish on the next day. Hey, so we're back home. I'm gonna make something pretty easy. Something that I can cook within probably 30 minutes or so. I haven't come up with what to make yet, but I'm gonna come up with something while I'm cooking. Okay, let's do it. Onion. This is sliced onion to place under sashimi. I like to use half of it for aqua pizza and the other half for sashimi. No, too big. Hands off. Salt. Pepper. Use a lot of olive oil. Garlic. And fry the fish only the surface. And I don't have any clams today, so instead of clams, I like to use this little squid. Pull out the bone. There's a little plastic-like bone inside. Alright, squid in it. Sake. Good amount of water. And don't forget tomatoes. I pull in the head too. That might bring a good taste of stock. Potatoes. And finally mushroom. All things. I work on making sashimi. Slice them up. Sashimi is done. Salt. And olive oil. And ponzu. It couldn't be more satisfying than anything, you know? To cook something we just caught and enjoy them. This moment is always one of my greatest pleasure. Alright, these are what I made for a cooked dinner. Aqua pata and sashimi. Alright, we're gonna enjoy them. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.